Good morning everyone. Today we will study the remaining portion of exercise 2.5. The next question is question number 8. Factorize each of the following. Question number 7 is evaluate the following using suitable identities. In that problems we have used the identity x plus y the whole cube and x minus y the whole cube. In this problem, given the expansion of x plus y the whole cube or x minus y the whole cube, you have to write the factors of the given expression. The first question is a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6 ab square. Here 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. We know this is an expanded form of all the terms are positive, and the first term is cube term, second one is also cube term. So we can use the which identity here? X plus y the whole cube. All terms are positive. So and the two cube terms are here. So we have to guess that here we are using the identity x plus y the whole cube. You know what is the expansion of x plus y the whole cube? X cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. Using this identity, write the expression is here. We want to factorize the given expression. Okay. From that, first we have to find out what is x and y. Here x cube is equal to 8a cube. From that, what is x? X is equal to cube root. You already studied in the 8th class. 8a cube. Cube root of 8. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 cube. So we know cube root of 8 is equal to 2. Cube root of a cube is equal to a. That is x is equal to 2a. Next one is given that b cube is equal to b cube is equal to b cube. So we know b is equal to b. Okay, b cube note. Y cube is equal to b cube. So we know y is equal to b. Okay, from this expression we get x is equal to 2a and y is equal to b. This is y cube. Y cube is equal to given that is b cube. So y is equal to cube root of b cube. Then get y is equal to b. So we can write this is in the expanded form. This is x cube. X is equal to what? 2a the whole cube. Y cube. Y is equal to b cube. If the coefficient is here, we have to put a simple bracket. Otherwise, no need. Simply write b cube plus 3 x square y b plus 3 x 2a y square. Look here, 2a the whole cube is equal to what is 2 cube? 8a cube. Next term b cube. Third term 3 into 2a the whole square, you know, 4a square. 4 3s are 12a square into b, 12a square b. Last term 3 2s are 6, 6a b square. Okay, so we can write this is equal to x 2a plus y b the whole cube. We want to factorize it, so we are writing the factors. You know, x cube is equal to x into x. Similarly, 2a plus b the whole cube is equal to 2a plus b into 2a plus b into 2a plus b. This way we can factorize the given expression 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. First you have to find out what is x and y, then write the expanded form, then write the factors. Okay. This is the first problem of 8th question. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 problems are there. This is the first one. And second one, second problem, 8a cube, same terms are there but different sign is there, minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Here two terms are negative. Then you know, and the a cube terms are here. So we have to use the identity x minus y the whole cube. That is x minus y the whole cube. What is this expansion? S cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3x y square. Here look at x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy form is here. So first we have to find what is x and y. Already these two terms are same as the previous problem. So here x is equal to 2a and y is equal to b. Then we have to write the expanded form. X cube 2a the whole cube minus y cube b cube minus 3 into x 2a x square y b plus 3 into x y square. Look here is the expanded form. 2a the whole cube 8a cube minus b cube. 2a the whole square 4a square into 3 minus 12a square b. Next one 3 into 2 6ab square. Okay. So we can write x minus y the whole cube. X is equal to 2a minus y b the whole cube. Factors are 2a minus b into 2a minus b into 2a minus. This way you have to write the factors of the given expression. Okay. Here third and fourth questions are homework. Third and fourth homework. Write the back side of your notebook, third and fourth. Then fifth question. Fifth one is 27p cube minus 1 by 216 minus 9 by 2 p square plus 1 by 4 p. We want to write the factors of the given expression, and in this expression there are some fraction numbers are here. That is, I will do one more time the question. Question is 27p cube minus 1 by 260 minus 9 by 2 p square plus 1 by 4 p. Okay. Here, which ID we are used here? Two terms are negative, that is x minus y the whole cube. You know its expansion. All the problems, the right hand side you have to write the identity, which one that you have used. That identity you are writing the right hand side of the problem. Okay. X minus y you whole cube, you know, s cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3x y square. That form is here. From that first we have to find out what is x and y. We have to find out what is x and y. What is x cube here? X cube is equal to 27 p cube. Then what is x? Cube root of 27 p cube. Cube root 27, you know, 3 into 3 into 3. 3 cube. So 3 p cube p. X is equal to 3p. Then y is equal to, y cube is equal to 1 by y cube is equal to 1 by 216. 1 by 216, we know. 6 into 6 into 6. Okay, that is here 6 into 6 into 6. 36 into 6. What is 36 into 6? 260. So, y cube is equal to 1 by 216. We can written as y cube is equal to 1 by 6 cube. So, y is equal to cube root of 1 by 6 cube. That's equal to what? 1 by 6. 1 cube is equal to 1. Cube root of 1 cube by 6 cube. Cube root of 1 cube 1. Cube root of 6 cube 6. That is 1 by 6. Here we get x is equal to 3p and y is equal to 1 by 6. Okay. Then we have to write the expanded form. That is equal to x cube 3p the whole cube. That is 27p. Okay. Minus p cube, that is 1 by 6 the whole cube, minus 3 into x 3p into 3x square y plus 3xy square. X is equal to what? X 3p into y square 1 by 6 the whole square. Okay, here 3p the whole cube 27p cube, 1 by 6 the whole cube 1 by 216 minus 3p the whole square 9p square, 9 into 3 9 here 3 cut here 2, that is 9 by 2 p square plus here 3 cancelled 1 by 6 the whole square, 3 cancelled 2, again 3 cancelled 2, that is 1 by 4p. Here cut and write we get 1 by 4p. This is the expansion of the given expression, that is s cube minus y cube minus 3x square y, x is equal to 3p and y is equal to 1 by 6 plus 3x y square, x 3p, y is equal to 1 by 6 the whole square. So we can write it as x, what is equal to x? 3p, x minus y, the y 1 by 6 the whole cube. That is equal to write the factors of the 3p minus 1 by 6 into 3p minus 1 by 6 into 3p minus 1 by 6. This way we factorize the given expression. That is 3p minus 1 by 6 into 3p minus 1 by 6 into 3p minus 1 by 6. This way we can factorize the given expression using the identity x plus y the whole cube or x minus y the whole cube. Okay. That is 5 problems. That problem is finished. Next one is one problem and also that is one identity. Okay. That you have used in the 10th class. Also you want to by heart that 2 problems with that 2. Also that were 2 important identities we are used the next year. The first question is question number 9. Verify x cube plus y cube is equal to. Verify question number 9. Verify x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Okay, so you have to tick that question, verify question number 1 and 2, tick it. That two are two very important identities. Okay, x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Verify means either you have to take the left hand side or right hand side and prove the next side. Okay, either you have to take the left hand side, then you have to prove that that is equal to right hand side, or take the right hand side, you have to prove that that is equal to left hand side. Hence it is verified. That is verification. Okay, so here I am taking the right hand side of the equation. What is right hand side? You know, you have to write RHS is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. This is right hand side also we have to prove that is equal to x cube plus y. Hence it is verified. Okay, change the bracket. X into x square s cube, x into minus xy, x into x minus x square y, then x into y square plus xy square plus y into x square yx square and y into minus xy minus xy square plus y into y square y cube. That's equal to minus x square y plus x square y. Cancel. Plus xy square minus xy square. Cancel. Plus xy is minus. So here we are getting only s cube plus y cube. That's equal to LHS. Therefore, hence it is proved. Okay. So verify x cube plus y cube. This is an identity and by heart it is equal to x plus y into s square minus xy plus y square. Here we are taking the right hand side, change the bracket and simplify. We will get that is equal to left hand side. Okay, hence it is true. Same type of one more ID is there. S cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y into s square plus xy plus y square. That you will do it as homework. Okay. Same type, same methods. You have to change the bracket and simplify. You will get the answer. Okay. And also want to by heart the two identities. Also it is very very important. Okay. Next problem is based on this identity. Remaining portions, 11th onwards the problem is deducted this year. Deducted portion. So 10th question, factorize the following. 10th one. Based on this identity, write the factors. 27y cube plus 125 z cube. Z cube. This is in the form of s cube plus y cube. You know, x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Okay? S cube plus y cube is equal to s plus y into x square. Okay, I would like to be here. S plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Then this is equal to write into 2. This is equal to write the factors of 2 expression. That way you want to change this question into 2 factors. This one factor and this one is another factor. Okay. So first same way we have to find out what is x and y here. What is s cube here? 27 y cube. So x is equal to cube root of 27 y cube. What is cube root of 27? 3. Cube root of y cube. What is y cube? Y cube is equal to 125 z cube. Then y is equal to cube root of 125 z cube. You know cube root of 125. 5 into 5 into 5. 5 cube. If you want, you have to write the right hand side. 125 is equal to 5 cube and 27 is equal to 3 cube. So 5 is. We get x 3y and y 5. Okay. So we can write the expanded form. First one is x plus y. X plus y into x square plus x square minus xy x plus y square change the bracket 3y plus 5 that is a 1 factor into 3y the whole 3 square 9y square minus 5 3s are 15y z plus 5 square z 25 z. These are the factors of the given question. Okay, one more question is there, that is based on this identity. This one is 3y plus 5z into 9y square minus 15y plus 25z square. Next question is based on the identity x minus y the whole cube. From that you have to find out what is x and y. Okay, the question is 64 m cube minus 343 n cube. 343 n cube. What to do? Okay, I will do here this problem. This is the last problem of this lesson. So I will do it. No need to give the homework. The question is second one 64 m cube. 10th one second question. 64 m cube minus 34 m minus 343 n cube. Okay, which idea we want to use here? S cube minus y cube is equal to what? X minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Okay, first we have to find out what is x and y here. Okay, that is x cube is equal to 64 m cube. Then what is x? You know, cube root of 64 m cube. What is 64 is equal to 4 into, you know, 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 64 into 4. 16 into 4, 64. So we can write as cube root of 64 is equal to 4 m cube. Similarly, we can find out what is y cube here. I am writing here. Y cube is equal to 343. Y 43 n cube. Then y is equal to cube root of 343 n cube. What is 343 is equal to 7 into 7 into 7. 7 sevens are 49 into 7. Okay, 343. That is equal to 7 n cube. N. X is equal to 4 and then y is equal to 7n. So we can write the expanded form. X minus y, x is equal to 4m minus y 7n into x square. What is x? 4m the whole square plus xy 4m into 7n plus y square 7n the whole square. That's equal to 4m minus 7n into 4 square 16m square plus 7 fours are 28mn plus 7 square 49n square. These are the expanded form of the given expression. 64n cube minus 343n cube. 4m minus 7n into 64m square plus 28mn plus 49n square. Okay. Here we are already studied 7 identities and the problems we solved that using that 7 identities, and last you have to study 2 more identities that also on the right hand by heart. Okay. So write and study the problems. Thank you all.